Welcome everyone. Today I would like to introduce you to my KaggleX showcase called Chatbot for a Transparency in a Public Investment in Peru. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jenifer Garate, a machine learning engineer at Mercado Libre, and I am currently pursuing a master in data science and machine learning at MIT. Something that I would like to know about me is I am very passionate about the process automatization, especially on large scales in a ways that furthers innovation. The main challenge I am addressing with my project is the lack of transparency and accessibility in the information about public investment. Citizens often find it difficult to understand how governments' funds are located, as the data is frequently inaccessible, over complex, and lacks clarity. Even when this information is present in a ways that are hard for not especially to comprehend. This lack of transparency leads to the discrepancies, controversies, and arbitration, fostering in the public distrust. Ultimately, this results in a heightened perception of corruption and a reduction in a public confidence in a government operation. This is evidenced by the news we see daily. For example, in 2023, Peru faced a major challenge in a public investment with over 2,000 of projects stalled and around 27 million soles expected. This has significant impact, underscoring the urgent need of transparency. Given this, the main objective of this project is to empower the citizens through a user-friendly tool that allows them to access a clear information on public investment projects. The proposed solution is a simple and intuitive chatbot where the citizens can ask questions and receive direct answers. For this project, I used a variety of tools, most of them based on Python. The environment was on Colab. For the modeling and development, I used those tools and also Handfaces and Gemma. The interface was on Gradio, and finally, I tested and evaluated the quality response. From the modeling and development perspective, the primary data source is InvierteP website where I collected investment project files from each department of Peru. These files were consolidated into a filter CCV. Using an embedding model, I create a vector database that efficiently retrieves relevant information based on user queries. The system then sends the user query and retrieve data to pre-training machine learning model, Gemma2B, which generates a clear and informative response. Additionally, the information can also be queried as if using filters in a database to generate response. This structure ensures that the user receives a currency answer, bringing the gap between the complex data and accessible information for everyone. For testing and response quality, I took a sample of 11 questions. This allowed me to calculate key metrics, accuracy, precision, and recall, each with a value of 82%, indicating the consistent performance. Additionally, I measured response time, finding an average of 1 second for correct answer and 32 seconds for incorrect ones. This testing approach ensures that the user receives accurate and timely information. Now let's take a look at the demos. The first video shows how the citizens from Puno, a department in Peru, can inquire about the most expensive project in the region. The chatbot displays the top 5 projects providing the detailed chat, the project code, name, and investment amount. This second video shows a general share function where any citizen can look up a specific project by code, name, keyword, or by location. This also provides the details by sector, responsible entity, and project status. The video includes an example of how to share along of a detailed response that encourages future exploration of the project. Additional features added to the chatbot include a section hashes amount and beneficiary by location, registration and viability, and projects by status. Looking for a similar reference to my project, I found these two examples. Both server has examples of how technology can bridge the gap between citizens and government data. Here I attach the link that case resource related to this project, such as datasets and codes. This resource aim to make the project accessible, transparent, and open for the to develop. I would like to extend also a special thank you to Claudia Reyes and Andrea Franco for the invaluable support. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Please feel free to reach out by LinkedIn or explore the project on GitHub. Together we can make the data more accessible and empower the citizens to engage with the public information.